welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, we are doing the Allure box unboxing for both April and May. My BOXYCHARM box is already probably up. The video for this as well. You saw that I did a duo. I just was really busy. Sorry, like school's over now, so I have time to actually do things. Okay. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna do April's first, going in order here. You open Allure and we get pretty much the same bag every month. So I've gotten the red one, a black one, a white one. Yeah, that's it. And now we have clear, so that's cool. It says that this month's box was, I remember seeing online that it was made by this girl, Carly Bible. Sorry. I'm a bad YouTuber. I don't keep up with everybody. I'm sorry. So, yes. Her lashes look huge in this picture. Anyways, so we're going to go through and talk about stuff in here. And it says that there's, the May theme is Beauty Innovation. Oh, and it gives you a sneak peek of May, even though we already have it. But we can scratch it and you can have a sneak peek of the second half of the video. Duh. It says Lou by Jean Sayo. And there's something from Laritzi. Sorry, I'm trying to scratch this with tweezers. So I didn't get everything, but you can kind of get the gist of it if it'll take. It's got like something from Amore Pacific, something from Lou, L-U-E with a little line over it. Something from Laneige, something from Laritzi, something from Monica, something from Saint Tropez with its mitt, and then anti-frizz sheets. So let me scoop up this shavings. Anyways, and jump in. The first thing I'm going to pull out is from Vita Liberata. This is a tanning brand because I have some of their tanning stuff. It says advanced organics, phenomenal, up to 10 days from one application, organic tan infused cloths for face and body. So I guess you just rub this all over yourself. This is a good stain. Interesting. Aloe's the first ingredient. Doesn't say how to use it though. Maybe on the packets. There's like 2 sheets inside. Remove cloth from sachet and wipe into clean, exfoliate skin in large circular motions. Use a damp cloth to remove excess tan from the heel of the hand, knuckles, elbows, knees, and sides of the feet. Wash hands thoroughly and immediately afterwards. Allow 4 to 8 hours for your tan to fully develop. Tanning time and color development may vary depending on skin type. That's exciting. I've been really into tan lately. I'm super pale, as you can see, and I like to have a little bit more of a glow because I feel like I'm like too pale if you think about it. So like when I put on bronzer or what have you, it looks off, kind of like it doesn't suit me very well. So when I have a little bit more golden in my skin, just a smidge, like I don't want to be like J-Lo. I just want a little tiny bit of goldenness just so that everything looks smoothly. Like I don't have a problem being pale. I just don't want to be so ghostly that it's like makeup doesn't blend well. Like that's my big thing. So my face right now is a little bit more golden than I am, and that's just what I prefer. I have a little bit of self-tanner on now, just a hair. So that, let's look for that in here. It's the, okay, so it's organic. It's $25 for a pack of 8 or $39 for a pack of 16, and you get it all Ulta. That's kind of exciting. I wonder how much you can get covered with like one cloth though. Like, can you do your whole body with one cloth? I doubt it. But anyways, I told you it retails $25 for a pack of 8. So like a pack of 2, which is what we have, is probably $6. Right? 24 divided by 8 is 3. Yeah, that's $6. Next, we got a Luxie brush. I got this in my BOXYCHARM sneak spoiler alert if you haven't seen that video. And I got one, not this one, but I got one. It's the 231 small tapered blending brush. I love Luxie brushes. Like, oh, I love them so much. I have so many of them. They're all dirty right now. That's how much I use them. Of course, I can't find one when I want to talk about it. Just how my life is. I love their brushes. They're so soft. They blend so well. They're just really nice. So that's nice. Let's see how much she retails for. Pretty sure I already have that one. $12. Next is this Laura Geller New York Incredible waterproof gel eyeliner pencil in Brown Eyed Girl. and it retails for $22. You can get it at laurageller.com. You can use the code Allure at checkout to receive 20% off your order through August 1st. Wow, that's far away. So let's see. Oh, mine's in the shade, yeah, Brown Eyed Girl. I said that. Oh, that's a deep brown. Okay, so I wasn't ready for that. I like a more like warm brown, but this would probably look good. Let's put some on. Like, move on here. That just kind of like deepened my bottom lashes a little bit. I can do the top ones too. It just makes it look a little bit smokier. Not bad, not my favorite look on the top at least, but it's still pretty nice. For $22, this is full size. It's definitely full size, like there's no doubt there. That's a really good deal. The next thing is my favorite product in this box. I've already looked at it. I'm sorry. I couldn't wait. It's the Natasha Denona eyeshadow. And it's a mono eyeshadow in the shade. Mine's in 126K Obeyed. I love Natasha Denona. I have one of her palettes. It's bomb. I want more. They're just real pricey. This retails for $27. You can get it on natashadenona.com or Sephora has them too. I don't know if they have their singles, but they definitely have their palettes, which are better too. Let's swatch her. It's so soft. I'll do it here because I'm running out of room. Wow, pretty. That's really pretty. I haven't worn this. I just swatched it and it looks really good. I just put it on top of glitter. That was a mistake. But that's really pretty. And there's a little pinhole in the back, so you could put a pin in there and pop it out and put it in a palette if you wanted. So I'm really excited for that. And like I said, it retails for $27. So that alone is twice the cost of the box. Allure is $15 a month. Your first month is $5 off, and you can find a code anywhere. Mine's probably in the description down below, I believe. Like my link to get $5 off, I think. The next thing is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. I feel like this was really popular like back in the day. And this is full size as well. So like Natasha Denona's full size. One brush, of course, is full size. This eyeliner is full size, and this is not full size, but like still. So this is full size, and it is $20 on Sephora.com. There's no promo code. I'm just gonna swatch her right here. Ooh, that's not a bad nude. I expected it to be a lot more light. In the tube, it looks really light compared to there. I kind of want to put some on. Ooh, that looks really light on. It's almost too light for me. But maybe over, it'll dry down darker, or over like a darker lip liner to kind of give her some element. But still, for $20, your girl's not complaining. And then last but not least, we have the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protected Cream. Honestly, I would probably use this and just run it through my hair to keep the frizz out and not blow dry it or like anything like that. And just put it in there to keep frizz away because I am frizzy. Let's see how much she costs. The full size retails for $24. You can get it at briogeohair.com. Enter Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order. I don't know how much I don't know how big the full size is. This is definitely not the full size, but you get the idea. So this month's box, April's box, is bomb. Like some of the Allure boxes are not that phenomenal, but like I really liked this one. Like that gloss, the brush, the eyeshadow, even the liner's not bad. Not gloss. I said gloss. I mean, this is cute though. Like on here for this month's box. Anyways, moving on to the current month of May. So like that's bomb. Totally like May better live up to it. I don't think it's gonna because I've already beat. Just saying. Anyways. Why is that low-key better than some BOXYCHARM boxes we've gotten? Like, I get one of the products, 2 of the products aren't full size, but like, we all get something like Natasha Denona and BOXYCHARM. Anyways, this month's box, which is May's box for Allure, comes in an orange bag and there's a product outside. So this isn't the same. The other ones have snaps on them. This one slides in, like this little piece here slides into this slot here and it tucks it into place. But this is really cute. I would see myself using this like at the beach. It's really cute. Or by the pool to just throw sunscreen in. Anyways, there's a little pamphlet and there's a coupon thingy for $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries at HelloFresh. I'm good, thanks. Dive into it. Let's start with this product that's on the outside. This is full size. I have a feeling it's the only full size product in the box. It's a lip gloss from Laritzi Cosmetics. Spoiler alert, we saw that in the last box because it told us. And it's in the shade Vibe. Let's put it on top of this lipstick because my lips are looking real dry and buttholy. That looks good. It added a little bit of warmth. The lipstick was like a little bit too pink. This just kind of like nuded it up a little bit. I like it. It's pretty creamy too. Let's see how much that retails for in the little pamphlet. I'm assuming it's a full size. It looks like full size. It retails for $12. You can use it at modelco.com. I guess that's the brand, even though I thought it was Laritz. Oh, I lied. I was looking at the wrong thing. $20. Enter the code Allure20 at laritzi.com to get 20% off through August 31st. That's cute though. I like it. I'm really feeling gloss lately. Anyway, next we're just gonna reach in. What is this? It's a powder. The Lue, L-U-E by Jamseo Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. Oh, it's you mix it in. Mix a tablespoon of Erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels, taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week as needed. I would mix this with a cleanser. It's 2 ounces, 56 grams. I mean, they kind of could have filled it, but anyways, that's fine. It's kind of cool though. I'm excited to like try it though. It looks like something in there got damp already and it's already pasted. Like, anyways, the full size retails for $15. I don't know if this is full size. And you enter code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off at EBOXYCHARM. Okay, that's kind of cool. Next, I'm starting to like taste the lip gloss. Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. This is not a full size, I know that for sure. It's a 0.2 fluid ounce. He's a baby. This retails for... See, in the picture, they show like the actual product for this one, but not for the other ones. And the full size is this 50 ml or 1.6 fluid ounce. This is a 8 ml or 0.2 fluid ounce. So this is not a very good value. It's less than a fifth of the size. And the price is $35 for the full size, so it would be $7 for this. That's kind of ridiculous. Anyways, you can go to us.laneige.com. They also have it at Sephora. And enter the code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off Water Bank products. Offer valid May 5th through the July 5th. I'm kind of excited to try this, honestly. It feels really lightweight though, and I like a heavy moisturizer. My camera's gonna die soon. Boy. Let's get this moving. Next is the More Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. I like a good mask. Out of the box. There we go. Ooh, that's fancy. There's a couple of More Pacific products you could have gotten this month. You could have gotten this one, a treatment cleansing foam, a moisture bound cream, or a single extract essence. I got this one, which retails for $200. Sheesh. You can enter Allure 15 at us.morepacific.com to get 15% off your purchase. Wow. I would use it as an overnight mask. That's expensive. The other products in here aren't that expensive. Like one of them's $50, one of them's $150, and one of them's $145. That's expensive. I didn't realize how much a More Pacific was. We get their boxes at work, like the 500 point perks boxes at Sephora. I did not realize how much that cost. We're not gonna waste her. Next is the Monaco Eyelids, like Elites, but Eyelids, and it's a metallic eyeshadow in St. Bart's. Oh, it's cute. It's a baby, but it's cute. That looks actually really pretty. I think this is gonna be my color. It retails for $12. You enter the code Allure19 at checkout to receive 30% off your order of any full price product, excluding, there's exclusions, anyways, through July 1st. I want to swatch it. It's not as pretty as I was hoping. I was hoping it'd be kind of like the Stila Shimmer and Glow, and it's not as bam, but it's still nice. That would be like something that I would just like wash over if I was doing like really light makeup. Next is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. Interesting. So you could have gotten this, or you could have gotten the bronzing water gel and the mitt. This retails for $30 at Ulta. We sell this at Sephora too. So this is kind of exciting because I never self tan my face. I usually just go without it and look real pale when I don't have makeup on. But that's fine. It's all good. So yeah, I liked the first April's box better than May, but this is still good stuff. Like, I'm super excited to try this overnight mask. It better do wonders for $200. This peel thing should be interesting. So should this. Like, I wonder how dark this is gonna get, because like if I do a light tan, am I gonna have like a super dark face? Like, I don't want that. I'm sorry. But anyways, I appreciate this box. Sorry. You can obviously go down below and click my link if it's there. It should be there, from Allure, to save you some moolah la la. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's at makeupmysmile, because I got a new lens for pictures and I'm here for the macro shots. Alright, thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!